Hello all, my name is Noelle Henry, and the organization that I spent time documenting their online presence is Community Action Partnership. When I first visited their website, I enjoyed their colors. They're very bright and vibrant, but not too bright, and I'm able to see that what they do in the community through their website. Here they have their impact links and staff members' mission and promise, their code of ethics, their strategic plan, partners, and how to contact them. I did view some of their pages, their impact, and how their agency helps tens of thousands of children and youth with before and after programs, how they help more than 165,000 unemployed people get a job, and how about 6.5 million people, including seniors, make their homes more energy efficient and lower their utility bills. For me, those are things that are very important as I work with children. I work with children whose family members are unemployed, and I work with children who are being raised by grandparents or aunts and uncles who definitely could use the benefit of having lower bills, one being a utility bill. So, in looking through the website and trying to find a online presence or social media presence rather, most websites you find that at the bottom of the first page, and I saw that they have a Twitter account. Much like their website, it's very bright and vibrant, and it shows their presence within the community and the different communities that they're involved in. So here is their Twitter page for Community Action Partnership. Their Twitter handle is the same as their Instagram. I do have an Instagram account. I do not have a Twitter page. So I started following them on Instagram so that I could just get the notifications and follow them and see what they're doing, anything locally or on a national scale. I did view some of their posts just to see what their comments might be from their followers or if any. And when I was initially doing my investigating and clicked random posts, I didn't see any comments. I don't believe that that's a good or bad thing. No one has made any comments on their Instagram page. So here are a couple of posts that they have. Huggy Heart Day. I've never heard of Huggy Heart Day, but I'm glad to hear that that's a thing. And for my final piece of evidence for their online presence, they also have a YouTube page. And their YouTube page, again, as their Twitter and website, is very vibrant and welcoming. And here is a short video that I will play.
Hi, my name is Sharon Price. I am the Head Start Director for Community Action Council in Lexington, Kentucky. Being a CCAP, what does that mean to me? When I think back on going through the entire process of becoming a CCAP, initially I didn't really know what to expect. But after going through the entire process, the whole CCAP process gave me a different perspective on community action and Head Start, and gave me a global perspective on the importance of being connected and intertwined and working for our community and serving our community. I'm excited about being a CCAP, and I welcome other people, and I'm glad to be participating in 25 years of service. Yay!
So I enjoyed watching this video. I watched a couple of other videos as well, just to see if everyone was just as happy as Sharon Price is to be a part of community action, and they are. Everyone has a smile on their face. Everyone speaks very highly of the organization, and I do believe that the administrators would be very happy and proud of the online presence that they have. I am happy that my partner Cecilia is interning at this agency. It seems to be a good agency to be a part of, and it's a great agency for me to have knowledge about, so that when I have to help the families that I work with, this is another agency that I can now refer those families to. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.